Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so you will be notified for any future video updates whenever we release them on my technological world. This is the series of top 5 5G phones we can expect in 2019, and in our list the second phone is Huawei P30. We know Huawei is working on 5G smartphone, as Walter G, president of Huawei Western European Consumer Business Group, spoke to T3 about it in an exclusive interview. The senior Huawei executive confirmed that 5G would feature, if not for P30, then for sure it will be in the Mate series next September. As to why it could arrive in either device, Mr. G said that we have two flagship products. In March, we have the P series, and in October we have the Mate series. So it will depend on how the chipset develops, because the 5G needs high power consumption. And now I would like to say that that's an interesting consideration to process in regards to 5G, with the tech needing both more space physically, as antennas needs to be larger, as well as power. We have been impressed with the P20 phones and the Mate 20 handsets that Huawei has put out this year, and its 5G ready 2019 offering should definitely be worth a look too, with improved speed and connectivity. Considering that battery life is one of the smartphones industry's biggest issue right now, with most flagship phones delivering at most a day and a half of the battery life between charges. Clearly, makers are going to have to find ways to increase their handsets' internal power banks, or streamline the optimize how energy is used. Even better, recent commits from Huawei's boss Richard Yu have confirmed that Huawei's 5G phone will be foldable too. He didn't specify a time frame, but we reckon that 2019 is the good bet for this particular handset. Again, this is a specific video series of top 5 5G phones coming in 2019 and latest news and rumors about them. We hope you like this video. And the third phone in our list is OnePlus 7 or OnePlus 7T, coming soon on our channel My Technological World. At the end, as always, we have a disclaimer to announce that we are not responsible nor guarantee that these info are 100% correct. But we try our level best to provide best info with our best knowledge. We hope you appreciate it and you like this video. Please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon, along with sharing it with your friends and family. So we will produce videos like this on a regular basis. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.